Tim, what kind of a landmark moment is this? I can't help but notice the market cap of Tesla right now is about where Apple's was when President Trump was elected.
Yeah, and Elon has talked about how he thinks Tesla someday might be equal in value to Apple. But for now, in the today, we've really seen the benefit in the last few months and the exuberance in the marketplace and the anticipation they would get in the S&P 500. We saw the stock really soar, and Tesla was able to go to market and raise capital with issuing just a lot of shares. So really cheaply for them to raise a lot of money, which gives them a treasure chest, a war chest, to pay for all of that growth that they're anticipating in the future, which investors are in turn super excited about.
Is it all upside, Tim, for Tesla here? I mean, in one sense, they're becoming more of an establishment company. But at the same time, we've seen Apple has sort of maintained that underdog culture and mindset despite the fact that it's the biggest dog out there. Any risks here that analysts are talking about?
Well, you bring up something interesting here. I mean, Elon Musk has built this company bucking tradition. He doesn't do what people say he should do, right? So the idea that he's somehow going to change, that Tesla is somehow going to become a stodgy company is probably very unrealistic at this point. In fact, it probably emboldened him going forward. The challenge may be that even more attention will be on Tesla, that it'll be even harder for the company to make mistakes or to miss goals in the future. And that's something that Tesla has struggled with in the past, but it was always kind of shrugged off in part because, well, it was a startup. It was trying something that was unheard of, impossible. But now the largest automaker in the world by market value, part of the S&P 500 to be, here's a company that has got a huge target on it.
Tim, you say don't expect Elon Musk to change. I'm not sure he hasn't already changed a bit. I mean, it seems like maybe since the latest baby or something, he hasn't been quite as volatile on Twitter, at least. He's not breaking as many rules that are raising regulatory issues. Do you think that's going to happen again, or are we entering a new kind of calmer, gentler Elon Musk era?
Well, I think if you look at the company over time, what we've seen is some ups and some downs, and that's usually around when they're trying to take on something really hard for the first time. We saw him to be most volatile during the Model 3 ramp-up production issues in 2018, when really the company was on the line. Its ability to go forward was really challenged. It's similarly when the company struggled in late 2008 and in early 2013. These were periods of high stress for Elon, and he suffered personally during those periods, and the company suffered. What was different in 2018 was that just so much attention and the stakes were just so much higher that people kind of noticed in the world that, sometimes he does some erratic things.
Yeah.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.